Hello viewers, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Oppo Find X6 Pro versus Oppo Find X6. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, multi-touch, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, screen quality, screen brightness, screen protection, storage, has RAM, has memory, storage type, memory slot, body design, body weight, body dimensions, body colors, SIM slot, water resistant, back design, front design, body frame, platform, has chipset, has processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, rear camera megapixel, second camera megapixel, third camera megapixel, has flash, video records, selfie camera, megapixel, panorama, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, GPS L1 plus L5, GLONASS G1, Galileo E1 plus E5A, BDS, QZSS L1 plus L5, has NFC, infrared port, radio, OTG support, USB connection, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity, barometer, color spectrum, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, features, 5G support, announcement, has result, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare. Bye.